If you want to manage app permissions and activate or deactivate your device administrator access, follow the simple steps. So in order to do that, open up your settings. After that, we have to scroll down right to our security and privacy tab. On older models, it's called biometrics and security. Open up this tab. Now we gotta scroll down to our more security settings. In older models, it's called other security settings. So choose it. Here we gotta find our device admin apps. Tap on this section and here you will see the list of the application that can enforce password requirements and other security policies on your phone. So they can disable the camera and other features, they can lock or reset your phone remotely and so on and so forth. So choose an application which you wanna be activated. For example, find my device, tap on the switch near it, confirm your choice. So here you can go through the list of the options what this application will do. Press activate and basically that's it. Now it's activated. If you want to deactivate in the same list, tap on the switch again, confirm your choice by pressing deactivate, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.